1, 2, 3, 4. Good evening, everyone. People here. Oh my god. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Who's watching? Who's watching? The one watching. Can you just give the thumbs up? Da. Nagpauran na. Kung palinturahon ka, ay. Problema nyo na short mo. Ay, problem. Saro-saro lang. Okay. Sabihan ka bago. Manasan mo na ano mo. Sarasap ka kami. Mardoke. Thank you, Mardoke. Parang nakita-kita kanina na naka-live o kahapon ng umaga. Kahapon ng umaga. Tapos kanina, naka-live ako kanina. Kahapon din. Kaya wala skill. Magtatagalog ako. Oy. Nandito si Pia. Ayan lang. Joseph De Moria. Hi, Enrique Alves. Hello. Nandito si Tim. Okay. Oh, Tim is here. Sorry. Thank you for watching English Murdoch. Joseph De Moria. Hello, Joseph. Oh, wait. Malinaw na. Oh my God. Nagkakalalo to, Gab. Thank you for the thumbs up. Gab. Magkaong kaluto. Tama na yun.
Ikaw na.
Nanaan si kada mo. Ay. Cheryl. Nag-dinner ka na? Tapos na. Parang gusto ko kumain sa inyo. Wala kami ulam. No food. Thank you, Mardoke. Wala kami ulam. O kaya sardine. Walang pambili. Kahit egg pwede sa akin. O kaya wala pambili. Walang pambili. Pamila lang. Thank you for joining here, Mardoke. Thank you so much. Ayaw man daw yung pag nag-live ako, grabe ka man na papansinin ka man. Gabriel. Pag nagkaon ka muna, tama na yan. Mag-focus ka pagkaon mo. I ask and let's have a good vacation. Huh? Vacation? Food's vacation. Vacation. Wrong. You enter. Wrong, you enter team. Where are you from? Where are you from, Rom? Maybe you join another channel. Notification release. Wow. Gab, pakuha man tabi dun, Gab, sin ano? Gab, pakuha man sin ano? Sin Samhod. I said I wanna eat on Cheryl's place and I will eat sardines. Thank you for watching. 5 people here. Thank you guys. For hair reborn 20 times stronger. New Dove Peptide Bonder. Masarap yun ito na lokban. Opa. Makaon kita. Ito may lokban dito sa ano. Sabi ko magkaon yun. Di ka good magano. Magpupurmal. Patayin mo muna. Ayun. I-off mo muna. I-off mo dire. Buka ang palagod dyan. Why a moderator is so mean? Why do we need to speak in English? Or else it's the Filipino. Hi, Cheryl Mazan. Di ka nasabihan ka ba? Akay dubli ang shirt mo. Di ka kung nagbabati, Gab. Gabriel! Akay dubli ang shirt mo. Ha? Akay. Ano ang problema mo? Kairog ka sa ano? Ano ang problema mo? Sorry siya kung hindi siya makaintindi ng Tagalog. Gumamit siya ng translator. Hello, Cheryl. Maybe she's not here. Maybe Tim is not here now. That's why. Maybe he go on another room. Yeah, he's in another room. Hello, hi. Hi, Charles Mazan. Hi, Oji. Cheryl, hey, is so hi. Hi, Oji. How are you, Oji? Hey, everyone in the room. Hello, hi, everyone. If you have, you know it. That's where God say everything. Because I didn't know your language. That's why there are other channels. Thank you for the 8 people here. Thank you, guys. Can you? Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, Ogie. Ogie. Brown. Cheryl, I love chicken Alfredo. I don't know how to cook it. Sorry. I don't know how to make it. Cheryl, hey. 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 Hey, Ogie. Baka din gab kutsilyo gab. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. For me. Hi, John. Nice to see you again, Cheryl. Hi, John. Nice to see you too. Here, John. Parang sino ka na, ano kita? Ang kutsilyo baga. Tapos, asin. Ako ang mapanit. Tapos kumuha ka nga dito samhod, kutsilyo, asin. Para sa raruan na. Thank you. Can you please give the thumbs up, guys, here? Thank you for joining. Good morning, America. Ako na, bakban. Tapos ano dito, pinggan. Utang. Pinggan ko. Ay, ano lang. Mako na lang. Esther, apartan mo. No party. No party. Just noisy kids, yeah. Noisy kids outside the room. Basketball court. Outside the room, it's a basketball court. But no party here. Plastic there. Ouch. She lives across from outdoor basketball court. Yep. Ah, ang hirap daw. Thank you for the thumbs up. Mali. Baka dito sa ano mo, ano mo man. I like your shirt. You like your shirt. You want someone? Just two. I have two here. So, that's only two. This shirt. Like your shirt. Hi, Jamie. Hello, beautiful you. Thank you, Jamie. Hi, Jamie. Thank you for joining here. You know what? Here, the fruits here. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm happy to see you. Thank you. Happy to see me. Thank you. I haven't got legs. Oh my God. John. Go ka. Thank you for the thumbs up. Enjoy your orange. This is not orange. Marcus Roth. Hi, you have nice legs. Thank you, Marcus. No, I don't know when I get monetized. I don't know when. I am really so happy. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Oh my God. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you. What kind of fruit is that? As this called here, I don't know what they call this in here in English, but it's like sweet and sour. But how much? Different fruit. Filipino fruit. It is grapefruit, no? Not grapefruit. Not grapefruit. I like this. And with this. Yeah. You are very fine. You are very hard to find. What it means? What it like? You are very hard to find out. What it means? Click on her bell. They will alert you when she's on. I don't know what I call this in English. Click on notification button. I don't know what is called this in English. I will search. Can't search because I'm doing live.
Binabayan kasi ko rin.
Thank you. I will appreciate that. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. I just can't get over you, beautiful smile. Oh my god. What my smile? Color smile? Thank you for the thumbs up. You are going to town on the foot. Aray ko. Oh my god. Yep. Thank you for the thumbs up. Sorry. Hello, hi Dong. How are you, Ito? Good evening. Good evening to Cheryl. Amoy paksi. Ba't amoy paksi? Salamat sa 8 million here na. Thank you for joining. I am good. How about you? I'm fine. Thank you, Ito, for joining here. Thank you so much. Ito. Ito yun, no? Thank you for the thumbs up. Mama. Marcus, will you marry me? Why should I marry you? Where are you from? You don't know me. Oh my god. I'm not taken. I'm taken with someone else. I have two thumbs and I can only give you one. That's not fair. Oh my god. It's fine. Don't mind. Don't mind. I'm a great guy. I live in America. Where do you live in America? Where you live in America? Wait, lol, we need like 1,000 thumbs up. Ohio, you are Marcus Rodriguez from Ohio. Thank you for the thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys. My body's in the Philippines right now. How was your day? Tired day. I'm tired today because I walk a lot. I walk a lot. My leg is tired to walk. Long walk. I do because I care. Wow, that's nice. Thank you, Jenny. Lol, you are even sitting down because you tried so. Yep. I'm tired. He has a Philippine girlfriend. She was out here over the summer. Oh wow, that's great. Wow, that's so beautiful. That's good. Thank you for the 15, 10 people here. Thank you guys. Ah, you are very welcome. Do you have the uh, uh, it's done. Done donor. Thank you, Ito. For how long are you going to be online? To be online or to doing live? Lol, did you cook? Yeah, I cook. Yeah, I cook. Fish. Always fish. Hello, my love. Hi, Jerry. Come back here. Thank you for joining here. Have a nice day, beautiful. Not your parents. No, not my parents. My parent is old. Thank you for. She will be online until she falls asleep. Yeah, until I fall asleep. Thank you for joining. Ang tagal ko man. Ang tagal ko man. Thank you for the joining, guys. Thank you so much. Your parents don't cook. They cook, but they not always cook because they're not. Trust me, she will. What if she doesn't fall asleep? Trust me, she will. Lol, 24-hour stream. Oh my god. Looking forward to see you later. I have to make money for my future honey. That's great, Jamie. What a beautiful mindset, huh? That's great, Jamie. You have a lucky honey. Good luck to your honey. Lucky if she does a 1 hour stream. Lol, she usually does 1 hour, to be fair. Yeah. Not always. Yeah. Thank you for joining here. How mga people? Thank you for joining here. Thank you so much. Hindi ka na magpaano dati naka-live ako. Trabaho lang na music. Hindi ka na magpatugtog. Paluwayan naman yun. Mag-charge mo na yan. Paluwayan mo na. Bawal nga na. Bawal nga ni Ami tugtog. Diri na nga bate. Bawal nga ni. Dito ka na ako nasa luyo. Kaya para makaano ka. Bawal ako sa Not always. Di mo naman yung nahaliin yung doon na mga ulam mo. Pag nag-ano ka. Dapat malinis. Dapat tayo. May the Lord make all your dreams come true. Oh my God. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you so much. God bless you too. God bless you, Jamie. I hope you make more money to your honey. God bless you. When she lays down and puts her hand on the side of her face, she is pretty much out. Emo, she is tired, yeah. Wow. Sabay ka ko nakakaintindi. Marami na busis. Wala ka. Magtatanong ang isip, birong maintindihan. You get tired quickly. 30 days sure. Yeah. Because I walk a lot. Ang kulit. Are you sleeping? Cheryl sarap. I'm so ready to another mountain. Ano ba Twins. Nice. Oh my God. Yes. Kuya?
Tubig.
Ito, sa ano may tubig yun? Nabasa. Sa ako na lang ito, kaya mainom ako tubig. Nabasa. Kuan ka to na dito sa lima, mag-inom ka na dito sa tubig. Sarado na? Thank you for watching, everyone. Lol, I also want some. Some of what? You are drinking something. Water. It's a water. Water. Thank you for 15 people. Well, dream mom ito. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yan? Tim, when are you planning on going to the Philippines? Oh my God. I will keep you in my mind until next time I see you. Huh? Until next time I see you, what? Maybe sooner. We are talking about Christmas. Huh? I will, lul.
Lessons from Dad and Mom. Care for your things so they last long. Keep prepared. Buy you safe bell. Maganda ng love ng team creamers kapag your days pa ng gel. That's the long-lasting bango ng gel.
Thank you for joining here, guys. Ang kulit. Thank you for 21 people. Oh my God. Thank you, guys. It will happen. Are you standing up? Jerry, when you're moving there. Have a good night. Sleep. Sleep. Have a good night. Sleepless. Thank you, Jamie. Thinking in about 2 months. Wow, that's great. Sorry.
Siyempre, para matapos na yung pinakamalaking karibal nila sa politika.
Yes, right. Just said that 6 months ago.
Ang gagawin natin ngayon, pare? Dead-end ang pagkaharap natin. Isa pa tayo.
Bye bye now. Bye, Jimmy. Thank you for joining me here, Jamie. Thank you so much. I will be there before you, Lulu. What?
Aba, iba, iba. Sa wakas, tinalaw mo rin ako.
I had to pay my date because
Ikaw naman.
I have my eyes operated on.
Hindi ko makataon.
No, he won't realize.
Hindi namin kaya gawin yan kahit na sino nakapunti dito sa presinto. Ano ba naman ang ulo ko ito? Pare-pareho naman ko yung mga tauhan. Pero tutuloy na ako.
I don't lie.
Para maalam mo na.
Oh my God. Every day.
Tawag nila sa rapor. Nakawala pa. Nakaalpas pa. Pakinulit mo niya kayo. Alam mo mga Felix. Naniniwala kami. Hawak mo sila sa Felix si Ramon. Matagal na namin kaaway sa limang siya. Felix na yan. Alam mo ba ang mga lungkano?
But the eyes are good now.
Bawal magpapahinga.
That's great.
Pwede ba namin siya
Good
iligtas?
vision now.
Pagtulungan sa
I'm going to Cebu. Wow! You're going to your Filipina girlfriend? That's great, Cherry. Good job. I'm not you would never had a chance with her. Stop being a hater. God. Thank you for 15. Bayan. Go ahead. It's all fell down from earth. God. Emma, this chat can be really funny sometimes. Nakita. The whole city. The whole city.
Papahamak na kayo. Ano na kayo? Ano pa kayo matutulungan? Hindi ako papayag.
Or even,
Hindi ako papayag na may kapatid yung mamamatay.
May
or
kulay ka,
even,
mama?
Pamilya ko yun.
ikaw ang mag-iispila. Akala ko ikaw kulong. Or even with the other girl because you're here. That's and Davao City got hit hard with it.
May yan. Totoo mo, mama.
Totoo mon? Nagtotoo ka na?
Totoo mo lang. Yan. Naman niya mo.
Ah. Ay, kay ano ka na pala, first communion ka. O yan, tuumon mo yan.
Tumpo na nga ni.
Wow, ang galing naman.
Siya di pa.
Tutumon mo pa?
Tulot.
Oh,
Tumpo
ang
na.
galing naman ni Kuya ka. Wow, ang galing. I'm proud of you.
Dasa ko sa kamot.
Ha?
Manas nabi. Taguaman.
Okay. That's in Davao City, guy. Why do you think I wouldn't have a chance with
Natitiging
other
musta
women?
lang. Saging niya.
Oh my God. Hi, Michael. Hello, Michael. Ito mo na pala to, Gab.
Kasama mo lang anak mo. At sa inyo ko, pumutuloy ng lalay na mga Montenegro. Inangganan niyo itong si Ramon Montenegro. At pagpanahon tayo sa impyerno. Tanggol. Tanggol. Tanggol sa tayo. Sa lalay. Tanggol. Hindi ka lang namin iiwan.
I am a hot icon in the Philippines.
Dahil pinagkagawin mo para sa akin. Hindi ka makikinig. Oo, Ana Col. Hindi kayo papayag na sa ganung bansa.
Hot item.
Ay lang yung kasi wala tayo.
You can, if you get rid of your burn, stop smoking. These girls are picky with facial hair. Even Cheryl hit when I don't shave a few days. Thank you for the thumbs up. Yes, a hotness. Oh my god. I am smoking. Oh really? I will make love, them love my bird.
Bakit mo ba inalis yung budget para sa senior
Oh.
citizen? Galing po sa dugo, pawis mo, sineswell.
Lol. Jerry. Laugh out loud. That's a good start, but seriously, they don't like birds. I'm sure there are some who will like you for your pension check. Pension check. Think about Thank you for the I will hear I am not staying. Cheryl, a pension check is what you get and are retired from a company for a while. Ah, okay, that's I sure not steamy. Hello, Johnny Carter. Hello, Johnny. Thank you for the 17 people here. Hey, Cheryl, look, who is that? Hi, Donnie. Welcome back, Donnie. Welcome back here. Don't black me, Timmy. Oh my god. He black you? Kuya Gab, may ano doon? Pakuha man tayo isang samhod. Email, come back and this is what I find. He did. Oh my god. Why? I don't know. I want just respect me when I tell you something. I always tell the truth when it's about me and Cheryl. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Hi, sorry. I didn't like you. Just time out. Just time out. Just time out. Understand. Okay. I don't remember what happened last live, so that's why. Timmy, she never said it, so that's not true. It's true, Donnie. What you said? What you said? What you said? Tim is in love with the timeout button. My gulay. Thank you for the 19 people here. Thank you, guys. Don't start. She said it 4 times. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Filipina. I'm Filipina. Piri. And in the hide now. Cheryl, don't let Timmy block me. Chat can show do. Call me Tim. Nothing she can. Cheryl, don't let him block me either. Either. Jerry, you're next. Oh my god. Why Tim? Thank you for joining here. Thank you for the 19 people. Thank you so much. Because I can. You said the you said the tone, Timmy. Be nice and I will stop calling you Timmy. But I have made a promise not to block you, Jerry. Oh my god. Thank you for the 21 people here. Thank you so much. Teeny Balls TV Vlogs. Dan subscribe po. Thank you, Teeny Balls TV Vlog. Thank you for subscribing channel. Alves say don't trust, be cruel. Emotems, thumbs up, thumbs must be feeling hot, ready be black, ready to black. Well, I can control you, Donnie. Be nice, everyone here. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for 20 people here joining live. I present stay in Iraq. Oh, why? Why you stay there? Why you stay in Iraq? The aray. Well, you must feel powerful pushing buttons, Timmy. I hope you get no one like that. Yeah, I hope no one will get like that. Kalay. Charap charap pap charap charap pap charap charap. What if I can't help it? If I'm stupid? Oh my god. Jerry. Thank you for the 19 people here, guys. Thank you for watching. No, I just want people to respect her even when she says she has a boyfriend.
I don't want
You already know that, Cherry. Oh my gulay. I never heard her. See it, Timmy. Tim, everyone knows you are her boyfriend. Thank you for 21 people here and for the thumbs up. I don't want to do that. I don't want to watch it. Real fun team. This is here, guys. Cheryl told him, dump us. Don't know what we are, and then I will put him in timeout again. What? Cheryl tell this song. Daniel has a hard time with that cherry. I'm just back up in case you leave here. Oh my. Back up talaga. He doesn't think we are getting married. Back up. Los. Oh my god. You being nasty. You backing up, Jerry. Wedding bell. Oh, no, you're being thick. Heated. Oh my god. By the way, bro. Thank you for watching. 18 people here. Na yan, nangyirita na. I ask you to call me Tim if you want to be here. Thank you. Carlos Noriega. Hi, Carlos Noriega. Lol, Cheryl, if things keep up like this, you are not going to sleep. Yeah. Yeah, you're right, Ito. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Be nice, everyone. Here we are friends here, and Timmy, and I know you are my special someone here. So hope I am so very thankful you join my live again. You're important to me because of you I'm here. I'm being nice. Be nice. I really appreciate. Thank you, my team. Lodge. I'm being nice. Yes. Thank you so much for being a nice. Go get a blanket and pillow. Tim, I could meet you there purpose. No, don't let her do that. She will sleep. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 23 people here and 12 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you for joining. What? Lol, don't leave now. Please. What should I say? What should I say? What should I show? Storage. Donnie, did I hurt your feeling? Just come and talk to the house. Oh my god. You can buy me a motorcycle for Christmas. What? Tim. Ah.
drawing. Drawing kita robot.
Tim, did you put Donnie on timeout? Yeah, did you Tim, did you put Donnie on timeout? Thank you Ito uh for hide the comment and not good comment. Thank you so much, Ito. Oh my God, thank you for no, he's not hiding. Donnie is still here. Timmy, you couldn't hurt my feelings, little buddy. No, thank you, my team. Thank you so much. Oh, lol. Hi, Donnie. You're still here. Thank you, Donnie. Remember, you came up to me for no reason. Oh my God. Be nice, everyone. All of you guys is nice, so hope you bought each other. I hope you bought each other as a friend, you know each other because thank you so much for joining. I just welcome you back. Thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. This is fun. My God, that was funny. This is awesome. This is awesome. Nang doloyang. What awesome. Hi, Caesar. Caesar. Hello, Cheryl. Why do you keep on hanging that bed?
Ako si Alice.
Because if the bed is laying down, oh my God, I'm falling asleep.
Ay, ako si Narin.
Popcorn, anyone?
Si ano?
Oh my God. Because she wants to
Aso ko
be in
ng
it.
finger, kinain ko.
Oh my God.
Aso ko na.
Sana'y di magmaliw ang nati kong ngalay sa munti pang bata sa piling namin. Nais kong maulit ang aking mahal. Awit ng pag-ibig. Become she wants Bennett. This is a bitter free show, sorry. God. Oh, maganda mo lang. Oh my God. Good. I'm watching a movie here, comedy. Cheryl Tim said I can have a jacket. Really? Didn't see that? No, I didn't. You had, but never come around after that. Time to go to work, little Timmy. She still didn't say it. Unlike Timmy, I own a business. What? What? Unlike Timmy, I own a business. Gotta go make that money. Timmy, I'm an electrician, so 25 years in business. That hurts. He numbers if you get one and don't show up on her live. My God. Wait, why to go? Why? Way too good, Daniel. All the best at work. That's okay. Thank you for joining here, Donnie. God bless you. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you so much for. Okay, so you have a problem saying the name I said. So now ban it. What? Hi, Cesar. Oh, I'm 55 years old, Timmy. 6 feet, 200 pounds. Wow, that's great. So, I'm 400 pounds. Oh my god, really? Sure, you are not tired anymore. Oh, yes, I'm not tired anymore. Oh my god. And I have the power. Don't like Donnie. Oh, yes, don't like. Let's go here. We're friends here, you know. So Tim, you're not dealing with a broke little man. Oh my god. Well, he doesn't respect me. Oh my gulay. No, I'm 220 pounds and very sexy. What? Me? I'm 90 pounds. 90 pounds. So I don't care. I'm Cheryl. I'm with Cheryl, and that's all it matters, Donnie. Yeah. Don't, no. Calm down, Tim. Calm down. Doesn't matter. You have no idea. I think a little bigger. You have no idea from Donnie. Donnie, I do. Oh, what? Donnie sent me a super chat, buddy. Oh my god, a little bigger, Jerry. Lol, this is the Tim and Donnie show now. Before Tim and Jerry, now Tim and Donnie. Donnie and Tim. Just remember you started that Timmy. Tell me sorry and I will quiet. No, I'm 220 pounds. Okay. He would have to sell his food stamps to do that. Huh? I should stop calling you Timmy. Have a good evening, everyone. Accept Timmy. Let me grab my popcorn. Duh. No. Have a good luck, Tony. Don't say that. Don't do anything. It's fine. Don't be affected for that thing. Oh my god. Gandang. Oh, wala. Oh, Tim, Donnie is entertaining. Oh, what the fuck? I missed Donnie already. No. Wala talaga to. Wala ka talaga. Na talaga. As in, wala. Oh my God. Mabuklat ng katan. Ano ba? Oh, may kulay. Me. So stunning. Lol, I'm just so speechless. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm about to ruin everyone's night. So stunning. Oh my god. Kim, stop blocking. She needs viewers. Yeah, I need viewers. Watch this magic trick. I need viewers. Don't say, you need to control your,